Hello everyone, this is a basic tutorial on how to set up a live stream for Facebook through a Zoom meeting. So I'll show you real quick. So first of all, we need a licensed Zoom account, which we happen to have right here. Now this procedure that I'm going to show you guys will also work on scheduled meetings or new meetings. But for the sake of this simple tutorial, I will be starting a new meeting and show you guys how this works. Join with computer audio. So there are a couple few settings that needs to be enabled through the admin settings on Zoom's website, but we shouldn't bother ourselves with the details. I'll show you real quick how to set up your live stream. Just press on more and press live on Facebook. If you're not logged into your Facebook account, it will ask you for your login credentials, and if you're logged in, then this window will pop up. Here you need to enter the Zoom title, Zoom description, and where you want to post your Zoom meeting and who can possibly see this. So let's call this Honey, I wrecked the kids. This is a live stream test part 2. Where do you want to share this? We want to go live on our page, and since we have 2 pages, let's select the right one, Inventive Minds Child Youth and Family Sports Center, and press go live. Wait for a little bit. So as you can see, the Zoom meeting has started, but before that we need to allow it through our Zoom app. This meeting is being live streamed. By staying in this meeting, you consent to being live streamed. Just press got it, and just like that, the Zoom meeting is now live on Facebook as well. You can see it right up here on Facebook. Zoom meeting. So my voice is a bit lagging in this video because I'm recording this video and streaming it over the Facebook while in a Zoom meeting. So definitely it's gonna take some toll. So there you have it. After you end the Zoom meeting, it will be published on your Facebook. There you have it. This is a live stream test part 2, the way I put it there. Let's hear it. So there you have it. After you end the Zoom meeting, it will be published on your Facebook. Okay, so I hope this is very straightforward. If you have any questions, please let me know.